morning and thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the euro dollar, recent developments, and the potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Greg in our trading room.
The euro-dollar pair has fallen 1.3% in the last two sessions. The ultimate oscillator has collapsed into the negative area. Alibaba's stock has gained 1.9% in the last session. The highs-lows indicator has shifted sharply into the positive zone. The sterling-dollar pair has fallen 1.1% in the last two sessions. Stochastic has moved sharply into negative territory. The Aussie-dollar pair has fallen 1.5% in the last two sessions. The ADX has shifted sharply into the positive zone.
Thank you. Moving on to the latest updates in world financial news.
While Bitcoin's rally has revived talks of new record highs, the cryptocurrency's options market shows a very low probability of passing 20K by the end of the year. The ECB intends to scale up its support of the Eurozone's economy, seeking to cushion the region from the fallout of a new wave of coronavirus infections. Sterling rose to a 7-week high against the euro despite a sudden twist in the European stimulus plans.
Thank you for this. Now coming up, today's major economic events.
The U.S. construction spending will be released on Monday at 1300 GMT. The Australian interest rate decision Tuesday at 1:30 GMT. The U.S. ADP non-farm employment change Wednesday at 11:15 GMT. The U.K. interest rate decision Thursday at 10:00 GMT. The U.S. unemployment rate Friday at 11:30 GMT. And the U.S. non-farm payrolls Friday at 11:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.